Looking for a quick, healthy meal? Try this smoked salmon and edamame salad. Edamame are young soybeans packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. They're complete protein, which makes them a powerful addition to any salad. And the best part, it's so simple. Dice some cucumber and onions, add your edamame, squeeze fresh lemon, and a drizzle of olive oil. Then top it off with smoked salmon. And that's it. Fresh, nourishing, and delicious. Healthy eating made easy, one meal at a time, one day at a time.